Balik tayo sa Land Transportation Code. Sabi ng Section 35, Republic Act 4136, any person driving a motor vehicle on a highway shall drive the same at a careful and prudent speed, not greater nor less than a reasonable and proper speed, and should have due regard for traffic, width of the highway, or any other conditions that there exist. No person shall drive any motor vehicle upon a highway at such a speed that it may endanger the life, limb, and property of any person, nor at a speed greater than will permit him to bring the vehicle to a stop within a cleared distance ahead. So, ito pinagbabawal talaga ang overspeeding. And dito, sinet ng Land Transportation Code na ang maximum speed limit for everybody is 80 kilometers for cars and motorcycles. Truck and buses are allowed to drive only at 50 kilometers on the same road. So, in Metro Manila, merong mga ordinance na nag-set kung ano ang speed limit ng area. Pag pumasok ka sa Metro Manila, ang governing rule is Metro Manila Development Authority Regulation number 19-0001. Dito sa Baguio, ang ordinance na nagre-regulate sa atin Ordinance number 18 series of 2019, no? Alam na natin 'yan. Dito sa Baguio, 30 kilometers per hour. Pero meron din ang nakalagay sa Land Transportation Code na ang local government units cannot, hindi pwedeng maggawa ng ordinance na nagsiset ng speed limit below yung Land Transportation Code. So, ito na yung conflict between the Land Transportation Code and Ordinance number 18. Doon, ang sabi nila is 18 at 50 for the trucks. As ordinance natin, sinasabi 20 or 30. At ito ngayon ay ang conflict between the ordinance at yung national law, which shall be determined only by the courts kung ano yung tama. Then furthermore, sa Land Transportation Code, hindi niya kinikilala ang speed gun, ang radar, bilang tool para i-determine ang speed limit. So as of now, walang batas na nagsasabing pag nahuli ka dahil in-speed gun ka, ay tama yun. Wala ring nagsasabi sa batas na sa tingin-tingin lang ng pulis o ng enforcer ay pwede na niyang sabihin masyado kang mabilis over 20 kilometers per hour or 30 kilometers per hour. So, pwede mong i-dispute. Pag hinuli ka, pwede mong i-dispute kasi hindi pwede ang speed gun, hindi pwede ang radar, at lalong hindi pwede sa tingin-tingin lang.